Okay, finally I got how to turn off the annoying beeping on Toyota Prius second generation with reverse beeping or seatbelts. If you're the holding odometer button is not working or something like that, try to press twice your power button when you turn it off and hold the odometer, because when you once you will start it with pressing hold the brake, it won't start you. So twice you have to push the power button and then it should show you the option. So for example, with turning off, the beep sound will be like hold and twice, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You are holding it, okay, you are pressing putting the fasten seat belts, and you can turn off or turn on. And the same with your reverse beeping. Then you can turn off engine, press on again and turn on back. The triple sound always is as a beginning, so you don't have to worry about that. But I don't have fasten seat belts and I don't have reverse beeping. So all you had to do is just press twice start, twice, not once. And let's drive without, completely quiet, silence. Finally, quiet and peace and quiet. Wonderful, finally. Thank you.